Well, guys, to say it's been a hot minute would be the understatement of 2021. I am back, I think, and I am going to ease myself back into this with a ring pour. I may or may not put a black hole in the middle of it. That's kind of what I was thinking, but I got a fancy new box of the Arteza ready mixed pouring colors for my birthday, which was back in February, that I haven't done anything with other than taking the time to peel off the top portion, the little seal on every single one of them. So, got my scale. I'm going to quick fill my cup with every single color, and then we'll get started. Here comes the real test. Let's see if I remember how to do this. here is the painting all dry. And I think I like it this way the best. I over tilted it a bit because I was trying to get that little bloop from the middle off the canvas. So my black hole became more of a black oval, but this paint keeps its lines so nicely. I really, really love that about this paint. And it really created this like warm and cool thing that I wasn't expecting, but kind of a neat thing to happen. So thanks for watching. I'm going to try to make this a bit more of a regular occurrence again. I have very much missed painting and very much missed posting, so I'm going to do my best, and I hope you guys will stick around, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.